Today we will discuss about COC renewal procedure. Welcome back. This is MMD exam, document required and latest procedure, and online course booking link also provided in the description box. So please go there. Complete e-learning hours and assessment quiz, complete RUT course and other information I already mentioned in this video. Please check. And these are the some requirement before applying COC revalidation. High voltage is not necessary. If you want, then only do. So where we have to go? So just type DigiShipping on Google. This is the latest procedure. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and more information. Okay, so we have to go now DigiShipping, digishipping.gov.in. After entering this website, you will find this type of interface: home and others, e-governance, e-learning, exit exam, and many more. But today we have to go in e-governance section, so we just click on e-governance. Once we click e-governance, so this page will be open, and here you can put your Windows number as well as password. Once you put your password in Windows, then just log in. Once you log in, you will find this type of interface. There are many options. You can see maybe net is little bit slow. So there are many options like Seafarer and many more, like COC and COC revelation, examination. And you can also go to the examination if you want to change your booking, if you want to book your exam oral and written, if you want to transfer your file also, you can go there and accordingly you can do. But today we have to go COC and COC revelation procedure. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you will get COC and COC revelation interface. So click on that. Here you can see there are many options, like you can apply for fresh COC, you can apply for revalidation of COC, and you can see your status, fees status, and document re-upload, and many more things. If you have any query regarding this type of questions, DigiShipping also describing in better way. You can see in right side of the screen. There are many questions in your mind while applying CSC and COC revelation. Just better to go through this. You can check this type of question I mentioned before starting of the video, what are the document and all. So please go through this type of questions first. Make sure you are applying in correct procedure, and there are some useful questions and their answer also useful to you. And there are some types like application for DC endorsement renewal for basic level 1 and level 2, and other like pay COC and COP fees, upload documents and view status. And so we are here for applying for COC revalidation. So just select grade. So select from your drop down list like class 4, class 1, class 2, NCV, whatever. Just select, just press continue for that. Once continue, you will get this type of interface. Most of the detail is fetched by your Windows: name, candidate, Windows, date of birth, nationality, COC validation, and COC expiry, renewal issue, whatever. And no need to correct here. If you want to correction in your Windows profile, just go to the Windows cell. This is the different. So if you don't require any correction in your Windows profile, then automatically you will find that all the details are correct here. CDC number and all office applied. If you want to apply it from Kolkata, Mumbai, whatever mentioned in list, just select Mumbai. Grade already selected, and some other fewer course like refresher tanning and PSCRB, high voltage, and FPF, PST, and RUT. So these are the detail you have to fill by manually, and rest of other like already you can see fetch from your index cell. Do you have CE going experience or do you have SOAR experience? Accordingly you can choose. Okay, if you are selling it, then you must yes in this column like do you have CE going experience. So once you just select and just fill this application, if you have any doubt just leave a comment. Once you press continue, you will get this type of interface where you have to put your house number, state, village, post office, district, state and pin code, and mode of certificate already selected, and email address and mobile number if any. So please put your all relevant. You can also put your mobile number as it is mandatory. So please click continue button. You will get this type of interface, medical fitness certificate and name of the doctor, DGS approval number of the doctor, place of issue of medical certificate, date of issue of medical certificate. So you can all find from your medical certificate, approval number of doctor also written on your medical certificate top or maybe in bottom. So please find from there, and doctor approval number and all this information you can get from your medical certificate. So no problem here. After filling this type of information, just click on continue button. After continuing button, you will get see service section. So you have to put your name of the vessel, IMO number, vessel type, capacity, rank from date to, and any remarks or maybe coastal, FJ, NCB, whatever. So please put accordingly and flip one by one. Add. You can see here add option. Already hidden, but you can see in your screen add C service. So add according to date. Once you add, just this type of information, passing of approved test. If you are selling, if you have a sure experience, then you don't require this test. So please fill here no. Once you select no and go to the continue button. So these are the two questions. So select no, select appropriate answer. Here I selected no, and second one I also selected no. So accordingly you choose. Then you will get this fees detail. Here you can see fees detail. These are the 8 column: personal detail, address, medical certificate, see service detail, professional competence, casualty inquiry, fees detail, and last one is attached document. Here you can say 5,000 we have to pay. So click on continue button and you will get next page like attached document, and here you can see some notification that field will not be refunded, so carefully you can fill. After that you can press the continue button.